Hey guys, it's Fred here, and I want to go over with you guys how to do your custom mini websites. It's something that Market America has added recently as just another way for you guys to grow your business and also produce more sales. So what it is that every distributor gets a set of mini websites for free, and what they can do is they can customize particular product lines of Market America that we have private contracts with, such as Pentaxel, Lumiere, Isotonics, etc., etc., etc. And what that does is that allows you that to make a pretty much a specialty web page, just so that it's another way for you to drive traffic to your website if you want to focus on particular areas of your business. Okay, so we'll talk about that more as we go. So basically, to set up your website, what you need to do is go to My Distributorship, My Services, and go to Many Websites. Okay, if you don't have your mini websites done, then this actually would be this would actually would say, instead of this like already being done, because I kind of did it earlier just to kind of test it out, it'll say new custom mini website, click to register, parentheses USA. Okay, basically you guys get one for every country where you started your business in that continent. Okay, so right now Market America is broken up into three categories: Market America, okay, which is the Americas; Market Europe, which is over in Europe; and then Market Asia, obviously in Asia. Okay, we each get three different markets that we can grow our business in. We can go global with it, but I'm not going to talk about that on this video. I might go over that in a later video with you guys. Okay, so if this wasn't here and it just said new custom menu websites, click to register, so I would click on that link. Okay, but for all intents and purposes, we already set this up, so I'm just going to click on edit to show you guys what to do. Okay, so what you're going to do is put in your name. Okay, I'm using Lorenda's website just to show you guys. So you guys can put in your address, your phone number. This is optional. You don't have to. This is information so that if the prospect clicks on the info page or needs to contact you from this page, they'll be able to see who runs this website. Okay. California. Okay, I'm going to show it. I don't have any information in here anyways. You need to, honestly, if I were you guys, I would put your phone number in there. Okay. You want people to call you. You want people to contact you. This is how you guys grow your business. So I would highly recommend, if you're not going to put your address, which I probably wouldn't anyways for anybody, but at least put in your phone number. Okay. So we're going to click layouts. Okay, so this is just one caveat to this is that when I was using Google Chrome earlier, uh, it wasn't working because whenever I would click on these things, this preview wouldn't show up on the right. And if that happens to you guys, what you need to do is switch over to another browser like Firefox, just because sometimes the way these things are programmed, they don't work on every single browser. I switched over to Firefox and notice when I click on these previews show up. If these previews don't show up for you, you can't finish this step of creating your mini website. So find another browser where this will show up, okay? Use Internet Explorer, Firefox, use whatever alternate browser you can find. Okay, so as far as the layout, this is where we're going to choose our design for our mini website, okay? So you can see on a preview, for instance, anti-aging. You can see what I mean by you're basically going to feature an exclusive set of products, okay? And this is kind of going to become your specialty, what in our industry we call a capture page, okay? And the whole point of this is that you're making a specialized website to capture a particular audience that you're looking to either recruit or sell to, okay? This is not a generalized website like shop.com, okay? This is purely just a specialty website meant to drive traffic to your shop.com to help you increase your sales. Okay, so for instance, Lorenda's a makeup artist, so I would probably want to go with a skincare dedicated webpage. So I would do something like a Lumiere set. Okay, you can see the preview looks pretty nice, looks pretty good, right? So what I'm going to do is next select my products. Obviously, if it's a Lumiere page, I'm going to select all the skincare lines that are available. Okay. So I'm going to go down the line here, select all the skincare relative stuff. Nature Skin, Pentaxel. Okay. So as you select all these things, they're going to appear in this section right here. Okay. And what you're going to get to do is on this front page of your specialized website, you're going to be able to add about 9 products that you want to feature. Okay. So what I'm going to do is start adding. Okay. Blah, blah. Okay. So I'm just going to start adding all the Lumiere stuff. Okay, for intensive purposes, this is just for an example. You can go ahead and change it anytime you want. Just come back in here. Okay, so I'm just going to add more. So add body cream. Full regimen kit. Whoops, sorry. That's actually wrong. So we're going to get rid of this. Put this back up here. Add product. Where's the rest of the stuff? Toner. Okay. Alright, that's all we can do. Okay. So when you're done with that, you're going to go down to the bottom. You're going to select your domain. Okay. There's no, obviously, us.skincare.com. So what you're going to need to do is, I'm just going to go to maexclusives.com. Okay. Notice how it's already linked to your website. Every product on this mini website is going to be linked directly to that product's individual page on shop.com. Okay, people will not be able to buy through this mini website. They'll be linked directly to the shop.com page. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is when you're done, you can click on update. Okay, it's going to tell you, hey, it's been updated successfully, whoopity-doo. Okay, whatever. So you're going to go ahead and check everything. If you want to view it, you can go click on view and it's going to pull it out for you. Okay, notice how it's going to use the exact same extension as your shop.com web portal, your Modus web portal, and your Isotonics web portal. Okay, it's very easy. Market America keeps it very simple this way. Okay, so what you're going to do is you can play around with this website. Okay, so let's say, for instance, I want to buy this, and actually I was wrong. You can actually use this mini website to buy something. Okay, so let's say I want to add this. Okay, and I add this, I can add it to my cart. Okay, see, add it to my cart, and you can see your customer can check out and do everything. Okay, this is a full functioning website just for you. Okay, so we are going to go back and get rid of this. Actually, yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, I personally would recommend that if you guys are going to do these types of mini websites, I would go on GoDaddy and wait for deals to happen. Usually GoDaddy gives you like $3 websites from Market America when you link it through shop.com, so that you guys can buy like a domain. For instance, like Lumiere for me, or skincare for me, or iloveskincare.com, or whatever you want to do. You know, you can do Lorenda skincare recommendations. That's a little bit long, but you guys get my point, right? You can make your own domain and link it to your own exclusive website, okay? Because you don't want customers trying to remember, oh, was it www.maexclusives.com, or was it US or MAX or whatever, okay? You want them to keep it simple for them so that they can always get to your website very easily. Spending $3 or $4 a year for the first year, and then spending like maybe 10 or 12 bucks a year to buy a domain name to make it easier for your customers to increase sales is a no-brainer, guys. Okay, selling one product already earns you back what you paid for that domain name for a year. Okay, so what we're going to do is, now that we finished that, okay, we're going to go and set up our Mexico web portal. Okay, we're going to do for example's sake, I'm not going to do like 3 different layouts for you guys. I'm just going to show you. We're just going to go through, everything's the same. Okay, look, everything's the exact same. Show, blah, blah. Okay, so let's say, for instance, we want to target babies in Mexico. Okay, so we're going to do DNA miracles. Okay, so we're going to do baby. And there are no products for babies, which is unfortunate because that's not true. Okay, so they just obviously put this wrong category in, which is a programming issue, I guess. Okay, so what we're going to do is, let's focus and let's do baby stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go to mx.health for future, for example. Okay, so I'm going to set this up. Okay, boom, done. Finish Mexico. Click on menu websites, and now we're going to finish Canada. Okay. See how fast this is? Okay, it's very, very simple to do. Okay, So let's just say I don't want to do this particular one. I want to feature all the exclusive brands. Okay. So what I can do is check all. Okay, and select all. Okay. So what I've done is I've done an entire web page focused exclusively on our Market America BV and IBV brands. Okay. So I know this is one of the complaints on the shop.com websites. It's very hard for people to find, or for you guys to show people how, what products earn you guys BV. Okay, so this is your way of doing it, right? Getting an MA exclusives website. Okay, so I'm just going to randomly put some products here to fill it up. Okay, all right. So then I would select ca.maexclusives or ca.opc3.com, whatever you guys want to do. Okay, so notice how it's linked to your your Canada website. Okay, so once that's all set, boom, they're all active, they never expire. Okay, like I said, you guys can go in and change this anytime you want. Okay, if you guys want to check these websites, however you guys want to check it, that's absolutely fine. Okay, this is great for you guys so that you guys can start recruiting in the other countries, Mexico and Canada. Okay. All right. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm going to put this on the Facebook page so that you guys have a link to it. All right. See you guys later.